Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Today, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.08. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 23.39% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 49 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.48% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in a strong rising trend. This presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $46.27 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, there is a potential 40.57% change in the stock's value, with potential returns ranging between 38.21% and 60.75%. Over the course of the next 12 months, the stock is expected to experience a 54.54% change in value, with potential returns ranging between 19.72% and 69.57%. This would mean a price range of $56.34 to $79.80 after a year. Our latest update on Intel reveals that the stock price experienced a slight decline of 0.127% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 16, 2024, the Intel stock price decreased from $47.12 to $47.06, representing a decline of 0.127%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $46.39 and a high of $47.22, with a total fluctuation of 1.8%. It's important to note that the stock has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 6.35% decline over this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased by 16 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may indicate a potential risk that could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, approximately 44 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $2.05 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 8.22% or $4.22 below the highest point of the past 52 weeks. Furthermore, it is 32.08% or $22.23 below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Needham upgraded their rating on Intel from neutral to upgrade. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded their rating on Intel from neutral to upgrade. Bank of America Securities joined in on Friday, December 15, 2023, by upgrading their rating on Intel from neutral to upgrade. Back on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities gave Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade action. And going further back on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have provided an overall buy rating for Intel stock. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Intel. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -7.29%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign requiring closer monitoring of the stock. However, there are also some positive signals that may influence its near short-term development. The Intel stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This suggests a positive forecast for the stock, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $47.53. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $46. A breakup through the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots. This signal indicated a sell 13 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal suggested a buy 13 days ago. Moving on to the short-term moving average, it showed a sell signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 53 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it's important to note that there was a buy signal 50 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 55 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 200 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we will discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Let's start with support. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $46.16. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Intel has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved 84 cents between its high and low, which accounts for a 1.8% change. Looking at the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.15%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.430. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $47.80. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you already have shares, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received an average buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -8.303. Overall, insiders have purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $45.05, which represents a decrease of 4.27%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 12 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While there are several negative signals and indicators that may impact its development in the coming days and possibly weeks, we believe that in the long term, there is a potential buying opportunity at the current price level. We anticipate the price to increase over a 3-month period. Based on our analysis of volatility and recent market movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 17th, we expect Intel stock to open lower by $0.172 and begin trading at $46.89. Before we dive into today's topic, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.